Every month, Microsoft releases Patch Tuesday updates to fix security vulnerabilities and improve system stability. However, these updates sometimes introduce unexpected bugs or issues on users' PCs. Because of this, many people usually wait a few days after the release to see whether others experience problems before installing the update themselves. So far, the report for this week Patch Tuesday updates appear mostly positive. The updates were released on Tuesday as part of Microsoft's regular monthly security patch cycle, and early feedback suggests that the rollout is going relatively smoothly. At the moment, there are no widespread reports of serious problems. The usual background noise, meaning minor complaints or isolated issues, is at a normal level, which is typically after any Windows update. Some users have reported that their PC restarted 2 or even 3 times during the update process. While this may seem unusual for some people, multiple restarts can happen during major updates. This usually depends on system configuration, background processes, and the component being updated. Another piece of good news is related to secure boot certificate updates. Some users are receiving updates that help refresh or improve secure boot certificates and key exchange components. These updates are important because they help maintain the security of Windows Boost process. As for Windows 10, the update also appears to be rolling out without major issues so far. Some users have noticed that they did not receive a .NET framework update. This is normal because not every system requires it. The update only appears if your PC has a version of .NET framework installed that needs a patch. Right now, about 2 days after the update was released, everything seems to be working normally for most users. Of course, it can sometimes take a few more days for issues to appear if they exist, but at this stage the rollout looks stable. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.